So, in our life, most of the time, for almost everything, we usually would like to have experts, right? So, if you want to do an IT project, you want an IT expert to be working for you. If you want to uh, design your house, you want an interior design expert to do it. If you want to eat well, you want an expert chef to do it. So basically, yeah, nearly everything that we do, we need every day, we want expert to do it. Except what? For this part, you really do not want an expert. In fact, you probably would prefer a real rookie, someone who is really doing it the first time. You know what? That in your love life. See, if you were looking for a partner, yeah, a life partner, a spouse, or whatever, and if you get an expert in love. Now, expert means this person already have a lot of experience, yeah, and most expert, yeah, they always try to better themselves by looking for more experience. So, in other words, if you look for an expert of love for your companion or for your spouse, what you get is someone who has had tons of relationship in the past and will most likely be still looking for more relationship in the future in order to improve their expertise. So I know that a lot of men and women often complain how their partner just don't get them, do not understand them, everything. They don't want to tell their partner what they need. Okay, so they don't want to communicate what they expect. Mostly, this is true mostly for women. They just want the man to guess what they think. So a lot of men also have this problem, but for usually it's easier for men to communicate. But bottom line is this: if you have someone who knows directly what you're thinking because this person is an expert, then most likely you will just be another chapter, okay, just another experience. And then when this person has finished studying you, then she or he will move on to the next experience. So this is why you do not want an expert of love, not for your partner, maybe for a therapist, consultant, or whatever, but not for your partner. Okay, so next time, or maybe right now, if you are in a relationship and you're thinking, oh, how can my partner does not understand me? Well, talk to them. Talk to your partner. Okay, explain what you need. Okay, and maybe after you explain, and you also listen. Okay, listen to your partner. What does your partner need? And then you try to work it out. And if your partner just doesn't care, well, okay, you move on, find someone else. Or if you doesn't care, maybe you should check yourself what's wrong with you. Yeah, so that's my tips. Okay, thank you.